Did you know that in 2020, every person will generate 1.7 megabytes of data in just a second, and 90% of all the data has been created in the last 2 years? Data is bits of information. It is raw and unorganized facts that need to be processed. Data can be something simple and seemingly random and useless until it is organized. Data can be thought of like water. Water is a transparent fluid that holds many different sources, like rain, lakes, and streams. When data is processed, interpreted, organized, structured, or presented to make them meaningful or useful, it is called information. Data does not rely on information, but information does rely on data. Let's talk about data terminology for a moment. A data silo is a group of raw data accessible by one group of people that is isolated from the rest of the enterprise. Most of the time, this data is not easily or fully accessible by other areas in the hospital. Data tends to be organized by internal departments, finance, human resources, lab, patient registration, and other departments need different information to do their work. A data set is a collection of related information that is made up of different elements but can be accessed and used as a whole. A data ecosystem is a collection of infrastructure, analytics, and applications used to capture and analyze data. The healthcare ecosystem used to be much simpler. Our healthcare ecosystem has grown increasingly complicated over the last few decades. This is due to factors such as new regulations, population growth, disease management, and advances in technology. Our healthcare ecosystem is a complex system, and disconnected data makes it hard to see the big picture. Data silos create multiple problems in the data ecosystem. It can result in a severe lack of efficiency. It can hinder the ability to develop actionable insights from organizational data, and it can create a barrier to a system's view of our hospital data. Siloed data is data underutilized. The most common problem is that patient and administrative data gets scattered across disconnected clinical and administrative systems. Each system may store data differently, making it difficult to accurately identify information and inconvenient to access and transfer records. To harvest the full benefits of data analysis, organizations need to get a full 360-degree view of their data to identify opportunities and threats. A data lake is a storage repository that holds large amounts of raw, unstructured data until it is needed, where a data warehouse is a repository for structured, filtered data that has already been processed for a specific purpose. Data marts make specific data available to a defined group of users, which allows those users to quickly access critical insights without wasting time searching through an entire data warehouse. If you think of a data mart as a store of bottled water, cleansed and packaged and structured for easy consumption, the data lake is a large body of water in a more natural state. The contents of the data lake come in from different sources, and various users of the lake can come in to examine, dive in, or take samples.